Hello students, good morning. Let's start today's class. Dear student, today we will revise the remaining part of chapter 1. So, revise, open your book and notebook and see the answer and check yourself. You can see here chapter 1 globes, exercise B, that is circle the correct answers. Circle the correct answers. In this question you have to circle the correct answer. First one is a small model of the earth is called. A small model of the earth is called. What is called? What called? It is called a globe. Answer will be a globe. Next is a globe shows us the location of different continents, oblique flags of different countries. Yes friend, in this question you have to tell about a globe shows the location of different countries. In this question you have to tell that which thing is shown by globe. So answer will be continents. Answer will be continents. Next is the northernmost point on the globe. Keep in mind the northernmost point. The northernmost point on the globe is the South Pole oblique North Pole. What will be the answer? Tell me. Yes. Answer will be, dear student, here is in this question here is the northernmost. Northernmost का मतलब बेटा see exactly your answer is right, that is North Pole. North Pole is the northernmost point on the globe is the North Pole. If there will be southernmost, then answer will be South Pole. Southernmost point on the globe is South Pole and northernmost point on the globe is North Pole. Next is the imaginary line running parallel to the equator are called. The imaginary line running parallel to the equator are called latitude oblique axis. What is called? The imaginary line running parallel to the equator are called latitude. Are called latitude. Next is the prime meridian is a 0 degree. The prime meridian is a 0 degree latitude or longitude. Dear student, if there is meridian means meridian means longitude. You can say longitude, meridian. Meridian means longitude. So answer 5 will be longitude. A small model of the earth is called globe. A globe shows us the location of different continents of different countries. The northernmost point on the globe is the answer will be South Pole. The imaginary line running parallel to the equator are called latitude. The prime meridian is a 0 degree latitude or longitude, so answer will be longitude. Next is fill in the blanks. Dash was an explorer who proved that the earth is round. The name of that explorer is Ferdinand Magellan. Ferdinand Ferdinand Magellan Ferdinand Magellan was an explorer. Ferdinand Magellan was an explorer who proved that the earth is round. Dear student, in this voyage, as I told you, Mr. Ferdinand Magellan was died, and the remaining voyagers completed this task. So with this task, Ferdinand Magellan proved that the earth is round in shape. The dash is an imaginary line passing through the earth's center. Which line passing through the earth's center? From the earth's center, imaginary line passing through, that is called imaginary line passing through the earth's center. Guess. Yes, equator. The equator is an imaginary line passing through the earth's center. Okay. Next is dash are imaginary line running through the North Pole and South Pole. So here answer will be longitude. Longitude are imaginary lines. Longitudes are imaginary line running through the North Pole and South Pole. So answer will be longitudes. Next is longitude are also called as I told you, it is also called meridian. Longitudes are also called meridians. As I told you here in this question, meridian is longitude. Meridian and longitude both are same. Dash, the crisscross pattern found by latitude and longitude on the globe is called a. The crisscross pattern found by latitude and longitude on the globe is called a grid. Is called a grid. Crisscross का मतलब बेटा, just for example, it is latitude and it is longitude. This square shape that is formed by the crisscross pattern of latitude and longitude. So this crisscross pattern is called grid. And one thing is here that you have to learn, grid is helpful in locating the place on the earth. If you want to locate any place on the earth, the grid will be helpful for you. If you are going to anywhere, with the help of grid you can find out any place on the earth. So keep in mind, the crisscross pattern found by the latitude and longitude both are made by both latitude and longitudes on the globe is called grid. So my dear student, you can see here, it is the again and again revision that we are doing of this lesson. So keep in mind and learn all the things properly. You have to learn the coming chapters, all chapters from chapter 1 to 9 for your half yearly exam. Read the lesson carefully many times and read the lesson line by line and mark the important one line. So Enjoy your day. Have a nice day. Thank you.